Welcome, in front of me is a Oppo A31 and today I'll show you how to record your screen. So to get started, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel and look for the screen recording toggle somewhere in here. If you don't see it, tap on the button right here next to the settings and you can see it right here. At least that's where it is for me. Now because this panel is already filled with toggles, I will have to actually remove one, so grab one, drag it over, and then let's go back to the screen recording one, wherever that moved. There we go. So let's grab this one, drag it over here, tap on done, and now all you need to do is just tap on the toggle, and this will, all those things that are about to show up is only there for the first time you enable it. So once you allow it and allow all the things that it needs, so basically allow storage, screen recording, and basically sound and stuff like that, it will start recording, as you can see. And there we go. And now whatever you will do is being recorded. It also records your finger, so as you can see this white thing following my finger, this is basically how it's going to be visible on the recording. So it kind of represents where your finger is touching. And once you're done, you can just tap on this, there we go, to shut it off, and it automatically gets saved to your gallery. So let's open up our photos, our photo gallery, wherever it is. So there is one, and let's go to albums, camera, and there we go. So that's the video, and it automatically plays, as you can see. And there is the finger, how it's sliding it up and down, as you can see. So that is basically how you record your screen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.